Hi, this is Dakota with question number 6 for the final exam. Dakota Peterson, sorry, I should have said. Okay, so don't display. So this is all in the local group policy editor. This is under Windows set or the computer configuration, Windows settings, security settings. We're going to be in account policies and local policies. So under local policies in security options, we're going to go to don't display username and sign in. We're going to go ahead and enable that. Apply, and then don't display last signed in. We're going to go ahead and enable that. Press apply. Okay, so now we're going to go to password policy. We're going to go to maximum password age. Go ahead and set that to 90. Press apply. 90 days. And the account password must meet complexity requirements that is already enabled. Just to show. Boom. All right. So that fills the requirement for this. Okay, thanks.